Did you know there's a way to invest like millionaires without being one? It's called the S&P 500, and today you'll discover why it's the favorite investment for those who want to build wealth effortlessly. The S&P 500 is not a stock, it's an index. It represents the 500 biggest and most powerful companies in the US. From Apple to Amazon, they're all in there. Now, you can't buy the index directly, but you can invest in an ETF that tracks it, the famous SPY or its alternative, VOO. But which one is better for you? SPY was created in 1993 and is one of the most traded ETFs in the world. It has a strong track record, great liquidity, and has returned an average of 10% per year over the last decades. That means if you invest $1,000 today and leave it for 30 years, you could end up with over $17,000. And that's without analyzing companies or tracking the market daily. So why is SPY so recommended? Because it's automatic diversification. Instead of betting on one company, you invest in the 500 strongest in the economy. If one falls, another rises. And overall, the market tends to grow. Even after crashes like in 2008 or 2020, the S&P 500 recovered and kept breaking records. But here's the key part. It's not about timing the market. It's about getting in and staying in. SPY's real power is in time, not timing. Millionaires don't try to beat the market every day. They buy the market and stay in it for decades. Are you thinking short-term or long-term? Many people want to get rich fast, but those who truly succeed understand this. Wealth is built with habits, not bets. One of the best strategies is dollar cost averaging. Every month you buy a fixed amount of SPY, no matter if the market is up or down. That way, you remove emotions and use the market average in your favor. With discipline and time, this strategy has made more millionaires than the lottery or crypto. Imagine this. You invest $200 a month in SPY. In 20 years, you could have over $130,000. And in 30 years, more than $350,000. No stress. No complex analysis. Wondering if it's safe? No investment is 100% safe, but the S&P 500 has survived wars, pandemics, and economic crises, and it keeps growing. Another advantage is convenience. You can invest in SPY from your phone, using apps offered by regulated brokers. In minutes, you're in the market, and you don't need thousands of dollars. Some brokers let you buy ETF fractions. You could start with $10 and grow from there. What matters is starting. You can also automate your purchases. Some brokers offer automatic investment programs. You decide how much and how often. They handle the rest. In many countries, profits from ETFs like SPY get tax benefits if you hold the investment for several years. What if the market crashes? It's part of the game. The trick isn't avoiding crashes, it's staying in when they happen. That's where most investors fail. Fear makes many sell at a loss, but those who stay usually see their investments recover and grow. Patience pays off. Experts say SPY is perfect for people who don't want to be experts. If you don't have time to analyze stocks, this ETF does the job for you. Plus, by investing in SPY, you become a partial owner of companies like Apple, Microsoft, Google, Tesla. Can you imagine? An owner of a piece of the future. And every time those companies grow, you grow too. It's like having a machine that works for you, even while you sleep. Another big advantage, SPY pays dividends every quarter. That means on top of growth, you get passive income just by holding it. Those dividends can be reinvested automatically to speed up your growth. Compound interest works its magic if you let it. Can you imagine living off your investments someday? Starting with SPY is one of the safest and simplest ways to get there. Now, a piece of advice few will give you. Don't wait to have a lot of money to start. Start with what you have. Time is your greatest ally. Some people think it's too late to invest. But as long as you're alive, it's not too late. The best time was yesterday. The second best time is today. And if you're 20, 30, even 40, you can still use SPY as the foundation to build your financial freedom. But what if the S&P 500 stops growing? Then the whole world would probably be in trouble. Bet on humanity, bet on progress. Because if you believe big companies will keep existing, innovating, and growing, SPY lets you ride that wave. Many young people today go all in on crypto or meme stocks. And yes, they might win or lose everything. SPY isn't flashy, but it's solid. And long term, it wins. It's like a financial highway. There are no shortcuts, but if you stay the course, you'll go much farther than you imagine. Halfway through the journey, it may feel slow, but one day you'll look back and say, it was worth starting. That's why top investors always recommend having a big part of your portfolio in the S&P 500. It's the heart of the market. And if you're wondering how to protect yourself from inflation, SPY has historically outpaced inflation year after year. You don't need to be a genius. You just need consistency. Because the biggest risk isn't investing. The biggest risk is never investing. So if you're looking for a place to start, SPY could be your best ally. It's simple, accessible, and powerful over time. Make it part of your routine, like working out. Invest a bit every month. It doesn't matter if the market's up or down. What matters is consistency. Would you like to see a step-by-step guide? Or which apps are best to get started? Tell me in the comments and I'll cover it in the next video. And if this information is opening your eyes, imagine what's coming next. There's so much more to discover about your mind, your money, and your freedom. Subscribe so you can learn how to change your mindset and your money to build wealth.